Today, we will be replacing the fog lights on this 2002 Chevy Tahoe with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting. The fog lights are located here and can be accessed from inside the wheel well. To remove it, turn the bulb counterclockwise to unlock. Lift up this tab and pull the bulb straight out. We will be replacing it with this all-new LED light from Ayla Lighting. Plug the bulb straight in until it clicks. For easy installation, line up this top tab with this notch in the housing. Turn the bulb clockwise to lock. Repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle. Here's the 2002 Chevy Tahoe with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.